Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete Herbs of Vitality quest in Crimson Desert. You can find this quest in the Petalton workshop once you unlock the Pororin village. We have a video on the channel on how to gain access to this area, so please check that one out. It's to the left of the main village right here. Now, once you get there, you'll have to interact with this NPC. You will be asked to gather some herbs. When you first get to the gathering area, you'll be confused because you can't pick up any lavenders on the ground, unlike the white lavenders that are scattered around the map. I've tested this area a few times, but the only way to pick up the lavenders is first to chop down a tree, then use your nature's grasp to pick the tree up, then slam it into the field of lavenders in the center. You'll be able to gather the lavenders on the ground when you do this. Now pick them up and hand it over to the Research Institute. This will complete the quest and you'll gain access to the Research Institute tree. And that is how to complete Herbs of Vitality quest in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.